Quality of work life. Welcome to Management IQ. Quality of work life have many facets. It means employee activity become more important by implementing procedure or policy that make the work less routine and more rewarding for the employee. इसमें एक relationship exist करता है between quality of work life and productivity. By this, employee get a sense of satisfaction in their work. It is not only concerned with the life at work but also life outside the work. Significance of quality of work life toward employee job satisfaction. People whose interests are protected by their employer वो लोग हाई डिग्री ऑफ जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन इंश्योर करते हैं और ये जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन भी इम्प्रूव करता है. जॉब इन्वॉल्वमेंट. People put their best to job and report good performance to those company who have quality of work life. वो लोग एक sense of competence achieve करते हैं and match their skill with the requirement of job. Improve the quality of working life. वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस स्ट्रेस एंड फैटिग एट वर्क को मिनिमाइज करता है इनेबलिंग पीपल टू हैव अ सेफर एंड हेल्दियर वर्किंग लाइफ. Quality of work life toward organization enhance stakeholder relationship and credibility. They can communicate their view, policy, and performance on complex social issue and develop interest among their key stakeholders like consumer, supplier, employee, etc. Increase productivity. प्रोग्राम जो एम्प्लॉय के वर्क लाइफ और वर्क आउटसाइड लाइफ को बैलेंस करने में हेल्प करता है दैट कैन इम्प्रूव प्रोडक्टिविटी. दिस अलाउ देम टू फोकस ऑन जॉब ड्यूरिंग द वर्क डे एंड हेल्प्स टू मिनिमाइज एब्सेंटिज्म. रिड्यूस एब्सेंटिज्म. वर्कर जो कि ओवर हेल्दी एंड नॉट ओवर स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं वो मोर इफिशिएंट एट वर्क होते हैं. कंपनी दैट हैव फैमिली फ्रेंडली और फ्लेक्सिबल वर्क प्रैक्टिस हैव लो एब्सेंटिज्म. Company reputation. Many organizations, including government, NGO, investor, and the media, outside the quality of employee experience in the workplace when evaluating a company. Toward the society, matches people who would not otherwise work with the job. Those nearing retirement may increase their workforce participation in more flexible work arrangements are made. Benefit families and communities. Quality of work life maintain balance between work and family at the extreme if family life suffer. This may have wider social counts. For instance, voluntary participation in school boards of trustee can contribute to the quality of children education. Next is issue in quality of work life. Pay. Quality of work life is basically built around the concept of equitable pay. But employees also want to participate in the profit of the firm as well. Security. Employee demand stability of employment, so workplace should provide security of employment. Alternative work schedule. Employee more freedom demand करता है workplace पे for especially in scheduling their work. Issue in quality of work life toward job context. Occupational stress. Personal manager have to look into the working condition, nature of work, worker abilities, etc. to reduce job related stress. Job enrichment. It attempt to increase a person level of output by providing that person with interesting, stimulating or challenging work in turn gives a person a chance to satisfy higher level needs and is therefore motivational influence. Autonomous work group. This group basically assists in reviewing feedback on the quality and quantity of their performance from the perspective of internal and external customer as well as make many structural changes in the work design. Issue in quality of work life, relational factors, social integration. There should be equal treatment in the workplace. Second, work and total life space. किसी पर्सन का काम उसके लाइफ को ओवर बैलेंस ना कर दे. Job requirements should not eat too much into a employee family life. Third, worker participation. Employee want a democratic relationship between employer and employee in decision making. Mobility. Mobility include two terms in it, transfer and the other one is promotion. Transfer is the moving of employee from one job to another. It is of different type, like production transfer. It is the transfer from job which is made to avoid layoff of efficient employee by providing them with the alternative position in the same organization. Personal transfer, which is transfer of employee from one job to another without any increase in pay. Third is remedy transfer, is the rectification of wrong selection of employee. Replacement transfer occur when a long service employee is transferred to a similar job where he replaces an employee with shorter service. Panel transfer is movement of an employee within an organization in order to punish him for a misconduct. Versatile transfer. It means to increase the versatility of an employee by shifting him from one job to another. Moving on toward promotion. Promotion is the advancement of employee to a better job or position. It is of different type, like first horizontal promotion. When an employee is shifted to a same category, it is called a horizontal promotion. Vertical promotion. When an employee is promoted from lower to upper category is termed as vertical promotion. And the third one is dry promotion. When promotion is made without increase in the salary is termed as dry promotion. So thank you. Hope you like the video.